Here is the dangerous part of generated media. Changing the script does not change the files already built from it. A branching story creator changes one line from "the last train leaves at 7" to "the last train leaves at 8", but the old voice, caption, and two endings can still say 7. Teams either rebuild everything, wasting time and generation calls, or risk publishing a broken story. Branchline finds every file affected by the change, rebuilds only those through Genblaze, verifies the finished release in Backblaze B2, and blocks any route it cannot prove safe. Branchline answers 3 release questions: what must change, what can stay, and what must never ship. First, this shared dialog changes. Branchline traces that one edit to 4 affected assets. I approve the plan, and Genblaze rebuilds those 4 while 2 unaffected files remain untouched. Branchline then checks the actual release objects stored in B2, not just a local preview. 4 rebuilt, 2 preserved, 6 of 6 B2 objects verified, both ending safe. 0 stale files. Second, only ending B's artwork changes. Branchline rebuilds the 2 affected files and reuses 4 objects already verified in B2. Ending A remains byte for byte identical, and Branchline makes 0 unnecessary Genblaze requests. A reliable release system must know not only what to rebuild, but also what is still correct and should be left alone. Third, I point ending B to a missing B2 preview. Branchline verifies 5 objects, finds 1 missing, blocks ending B, preserves the independently verified ending A, and stops the full release. It does not guess. It does not regenerate everything blindly. It refuses to publish what it cannot verify. Every decision is recorded. The Genblaze generation run and its parent release, the B2 release record, the remote HIO hashes, and the result for every reachable ending. Genblaze produces and records the generated media. Backblaze B2 holds the canonical release files. Branchline turns that evidence into a safe publication decision. The demo uses a branching story, but the same problem appears anywhere one source creates many connected media versions. Generated media is easy to create. Reliable generated media is hard to release. Branchline. Change one scene, rebuild only what it affects, and publish no stale branches.